Okay, what is that right there?
It's a chicken.
That's chicken?
Yes.
I never seen chicken look like that. It looks like hair on it. Is that hair on the chicken? Because that look like cat.
Pull that
It's
out.
not-
Cat look like
I
cat.
know English.
Okay, no, it's okay. You don't have to.
Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gang, it's your boy, Goose Nigga. We are back with another banger reaction video. Shout out to my people. How are you doing today? You know, if nobody check on you, know how I am, okay? Food's got you, okay? If nobody else cares how your day is going, I care. If nobody asks you, did you eat today? I am. So I hope you did all of those, okay? Hope you're having a great day. Hope you're not letting nobody stress you the fuck out today. And I hope you're keeping your meat to yourself so you stay on 10, okay? Don't go around taking other people's stress on giving away your meat, okay? Because when you take on other people's stress, guess what you're doing? You're giving away your meat. That's why you go from a 10 to a 6, okay? You got to start worrying about you, or you got to start caring about you. Everybody's so used to pulling from you that you just so used to giving that you don't even think about it till you get home. Be like, didn't nobody even check on me today. Didn't nobody make sure I had dinner. Didn't nobody fix me nothing. Didn't nobody say, hey, Cheryl, nothing. Take. Make sure you reverse that, man. We got to make sure our people are okay. Shout out to our people, man. We about to get to a video. Mr. Boku Black. His video will be linked in the first pinned comment below, along with the GLA Vibes website. Go make sure that you pick up your merchery. Also, the Vloggery channel, Food Nigga Vloggeries. Make sure you go subscribe if you haven't already. And make sure you head over to Twitch. We're going live tomorrow, 6 p.m. West Coast time, okay? That's 9 p.m. on the East Coast. Make sure you tap in. We go and we do 2 hours of live reactions on top of some great conversation. So do that. This video is called I Inspected the Worst Rated Restaurant in Atlanta. And by the looks of it, it looked like it's an Asian spot, okay? I know my egg roll, and I know my wotan and my wutan food. Okay, I know all of that, okay? Can't tell me this is an Asian restaurant for sure. Shout out to my people, man. Let's continue to have a great day. Let's continue to keep our meat breeds up. And with that being said, let's go ahead and check on those meat breeds right now. So get down in the comment section, 1 through 10. Let me know how you're doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. And if nobody bring the energy to you, and if you need a little pick me up, you know food's gonna be that energy for you, okay? I'm gonna bring it to you. And I'm gonna give it to you too. Oh, yeah. Well, I told you I know my restaurant, okay? I know my restaurant.
Good morning. How you doing? My name is Agent Black, ID number 30303 with the department. I'm just here for routine inspection. No English.
I don't care. It's gonna get me every time. Every time he says 30303, which is the Atlanta area code, and he say with the department, just the department, every time. Not a specific department, just with the department. Nobody questions it. This shit is hilarious. Run it back. Y'all listen to what he's saying. Atlanta area code with the department, okay?
Black, ID number 30303 with the department. I'm just here for routine inspection. No English. Routine inspection. Inspection, department. But it's okay. I won't be long though. I won't be long at all. But I'm here for inspection. I'm on a time schedule. So like I said, it'll take 5 minutes, but I need to get on. Are you the manager, supervisor on duty? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. All I need you to do is just show me the back, show me like certain things, and then I'm good. Just for inspection. That's all.
Crazy how my boy get back there.
Okay, you good? Come on. Oh, you have to take care of him, or come on. Ma'am, you come on. How you doing? How you doing, sir? Inspector Black, ID number 30303. How are you? Are you good? You got okay. It's okay. I just need you to show me the back. Ma'am, yeah, I just need you to show me the back real quick. Just show me a few things around, and that's all. Is that one? What is that? Oh, that's noodles. Okay. Okay.
1 minute.
No.
1 minute. Sorry.
No English.
Call my son.
Okay. So nobody speaks English. Okay, that's a violation in itself. Okay, you don't have on gloves. That's fine. However, do you guys wear gloves around? You guys wear gloves?
有个人来，你要跟他说一下就。
Yeah, call your son. Yeah. How you doing, sir? This is Agent Black, ID number 30303. We're just doing a routine inspection. I see your parents or your workers, they don't speak English, but that's fine. I won't be long at all.
Okay, what inspection?
So far, you guys look good, honestly. So far, you guys look good.
Okay.
Yeah, so far you guys look good. Like I said, I know you guys just had one, not recently, but they sent me out just to do a follow-up, so I'll be out of your hair pretty quick.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
From what?
Yeah, so let's just check under, make sure.
I don't got time for it. He literally just hung up in the son's face. The son had more questions and just hung up. And he avoided the questions. You know what I'm saying? He avoided the question by talking over the question. Oh, man. How you go to a restaurant? You know, every restaurant we go into, whether it's Vietnamese, Chinese, wherever to get your food, the English ain't the greatest. So the fact that you're asking, they need to speak better English is hilarious, okay? I'm just saying, sir.
Everything.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Y'all got plastic back. What is that? Oh, wait, ma'am. If you can just come. I gotta just make sure everything is how it's supposed to be. Okay, so that right there, this right here.
What the hell is that?
This right here, this is dirty. Y'all have shrimps. That can lead to a rat. Oh, it stinks back here too. Yeah, it smells like shit. Yeah, we're gonna have to get that up. You're good. You're good. No, you don't have to call him. You can wait till after. You can wait till after.
It smells like shit.
Okay, what is that right there?
It's a chicken.
That's chicken?
Yes.
I never seen chicken look like that. It looks like hair on it. Is that hair on the chicken? Cause that looks like cat.
Pull that
It's
out.
not-
Cat look like
I know
cat.
English.
Okay, no, it's okay. You don't have to call. You can wait till after. It's okay. You don't have to call.
Brother, pull that out
Is
there.
this
I'm trying to see something.
Freezer? Okay. Let's see what's going on in here. Okay. Yeah. Y'all are pretty dirty, honestly and truly. Oh no.
I'm trying to see the cat, brother. What we doing,
I need
man?
somebody back here. I need somebody back here,
Hi,
brother.
Woon
I need you to speak English as well, okay? If you don't mind.
Hi, Shin. He mad at you, sir. I'm telling you
I
right
need you to
now.
speak English. What? Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, hello.
Yes. I understand they keep calling you, but they're interrupting my inspection. Like I said, I'm not trying to be long, but they keep having me call you. Now, like I said,
Tell me what's the departments again?
yes, the department, of course. Oh, I'm just trying to see. Okay, the floor looks fine. Floor looks fine. Okay, this right here, though, sir. This right here, this can be cleaned up. Okay, nobody's here, brother. You don't have to put your hat on now. It's already too late. I'm here. Come here, right here. This under here. Yeah, right there. That can be cleaned up a little. That can be better. However, that's fine. It's not going to be a big problem.
He ignoring the sun.
Yes, sir. You're good. You're good. Like I said, I'm out of here in 3 minutes. But I mean, I've been sent out here just to do my job, and I can't do my job professionally unless, you know what I'm saying, I focus. So I'll have them give you a quick call back as soon as I'm done, if that's fine. All right.
What departments? Fire?
No, sir. No, this is not a fire. This is inspection, the routine inspection. Yeah, no, yeah. This is not fire. But like I said, I'll be done. I'll be done, frankly, soon. Cause you guys don't look bad. You guys don't look bad at all. But I appreciate you, sir, for your concern. Thank you so much. Oh shit. Okay, hold on. Wait a minute. Come here. I need somebody back here.
Hold on.
Excuse me.
Wait a minute.
Phone.
Something ain't right.
What's this right here?
Beef, right?
Beef.
Beef. Okay, is blood in the beef?
Sir.
Okay, yeah, you know what blood is, baby. All right. All right, you guys, you know what? You guys might be getting shut down.
This guy.
You can call your son and tell him about that. Blood. No English. Oh, you want to wear your hat backwards? Okay, this is not the street, so you got to turn your hat to the front. Your hat to the front. Yeah, front. It's not the street.
Hey, sir.
All right. Let me see. Y'all get.
You down the streeteries.
All right.
You're a restaurant
You know what?
owner.
You guys will be emailed, okay? I don't really know. I don't really have nothing else to do here because you guys are tripping.
Sir, the sun is on the
You
way.
guys will be emailed, okay? All right. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Sir.
And then this too. Yeah. I don't know. This not no damn daycare. Okay.
Take care of
I got something for this. Don't even worry about it.
Oh my God. Sir, the son want to know what damn department we talking about. Where you from? Fire? What's
going on, man?
No, just department.
Hold on one sec. Go ahead, sweetheart.
Where we at now?
How you doing, ma'am? My
Oh,
name is
another
Agent
agent
Black,
restaurant?
ID number 30303 with the department. I'm here for routine inspection. I see you guys are pretty busy, so I won't be long. No, I see you guys are pretty busy, so I won't be long, but I just need 5 minutes of your time.
We're hitting every Asian restaurant in the vicinity.
Routine inspection from the department. Routine inspection. 5 minutes.
5 minutes, right?
5 minutes. Not fast. I mean, not long at all. How you doing, ma'am?
Can I get an egg roll and a lemonade?
Egg roll and lemonade.
Oh,
Egg roll and a lemonade, please.
That's it?
are you ready for me or no? Okay. How you doing, brother? Agent Black, ID number 30303 with the department. I'm just here for routine inspection. I see you guys are pretty busy, so I'll be quick. I'll be 5 minutes.
Every time.
Now, I have my own pair of gloves, so that's fine. How are you, brother? You all right?
Yeah, how are you?
I'm good, man. I'm good. So you got everything prepped right here? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. The only thing with the chicken, you don't really want the chicken on the floor.
Yeah.
That's the only thing. Yeah, just
On the
put it
floor.
if you can. You know what I'm saying? I know it's not that much space. Okay. And does anyone wear gloves? Do you guys wear gloves back here?
Yeah.
You do? Okay. If you don't mind, just put on some gloves. If you don't mind. Okay.
Crazy.
All right. Could y'all see your sanitary station? Your sanitary station real quick. Okay. That trash is nasty. All right. Looks pretty good here. Pretty clean under here. You have a couple cobwebs under there, but that's normal. That's normal, like spider webs, but that's normal. That's normal. Let me see. This deep freezer, right?
Yeah, please, yeah.
Freezer, okay. If you don't mind, let's check the freezer. Okay, I'm not gonna go all the way in. Everything looks in order. Good. This the other freezer? Okay.
Not bad. I ain't gonna lie.
Okay. the
Covered up. Everything.
Temperature's at 40. Okay. Pretty
Look at those
good.
egg rolls.
Pretty good.
We always do like that.
Pretty good, bro. Pretty good. Okay. And then back here, what is this back here? Is something playing? Okay, this turn this off. Somebody's watching. Yeah, that's not acceptable. Yeah, we can't be watching.
Can't watch
anything in the
YouTube,
back
sir.
room. Is this like a storage room?
Yeah.
Okay, it smells like cigarettes in here. Does anyone smoke? Someone smoke cigarettes? Okay, it smells like cigarettes in here. What is this room right here? Does this light turn on or no?
Oh no, that's just for like a small
Storage?
yeah, small storage.
Okay, yeah, I got a feeling there might be some rats in here, but only because there should be lights in here.
Yeah.
Oh, so there's a light. Okay, live. All right,
He lied.
let's see. What is that? Is that a rat trap back there? No. No rat trap. Okay. All right. That looks fine. And this is all just old storage. Okay. All right, let's check under. Okay. The floors seem to be intact. All right. Are you familiar with rush hour? Inspector Lee? Okay, no. I was just going to say you remind me of him a little bit. Okay. All right. Let's go over here real quick. Did this light come on?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. I can't really see under, but it looks all right. It doesn't look bad at all. Okay. What is this right here?
Ice, ain't it?
Okay. Somebody drinking a matcha. Here. Bathroom.
No.
Storage. Office. Okay. If you don't mind, you have to keep for office just to make sure I can see. You're good. It doesn't be used often?
It's just office.
Okay, yeah. This office is kind of... Does anybody use the office, though? Nobody use it? Okay. All right. Okay. Cameras are intact.
Video cameras.
Okay. Office is pretty good. Let's just go over here to the workstation. Okay, I see you have your gloves on now. Gloves are on. That's fine. Okay. Meats. Move this up a little bit. Check everything. Okay. All right. Move this. Okay. And what meat is that?
Chicken.
Chicken, beef, and shrimp.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. These are frozen. Frozen. Okay. All right. Okay. Now, that is a problem as far as over here. Come on. That right there, brother. It's a lot going on over there. I have to flash my flashlight. This should be clean.
Okay.
Okay, because this, all of this creates rats and roaches. Okay, you guys don't want roaches. You understand?
Okay.
You understand?
It's a big pile of shit just sitting right here, bro. You feel me? So that has to get cleaned up immediately.
Oil right here.
Yeah, I know. You have to have something to catch the oil. Something that can catch the oil so that way it won't be on the floor. Because you
They
can
try to
see
put
it's
the
on
cardboard on the floor. That's
No,
what they
it's
did.
all on the pipes like it had a combustion or something. All right. Okay, and it's dirty as hell down here too. All right.
dirty
Okay,
as
and
hell.
what's this right here?
Chicken.
Okay, yeah, that chicken should always be elevated. Always elevate the chicken. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Hold on. Let's see. Oil, nasty. Okay. All right, he has gloves on. All right, all right. Okay. All right. I mean, you guys are pretty good, man. You guys are pretty clean. Yeah. Oh yeah, go ahead, throw that in there. You guys are pretty clean. This area doesn't look bad. All right, you're pretty clean. You guys are pretty clean, brother.
Yes.
Pretty clean.
Old business.
Oh, old business.
Yeah.
I get it. You guys are pretty clean.
We try to do our best.
No, you guys are doing it. You guys are doing it. It's not bad. It's not the worst that I've seen. You know. So okay, I'll get out. You guys is here. I see you guys are busy.
Get a piece of
I'll
that
make sure
chicken,
to
bro.
Email to your supervisor.
Clean spot.
I don't need to check up here. Everything seems to be fine up here. You guys are good up here.
Some drink?
No, I'm fine. But like I said, I'll make sure to email you guys to your supervisor. I'll give you guys. Hold on, I got this. Give you guys.
You can't see this.
So you guys pass. All right. So like I said, I'm Inspector Black, ID number 303-003.
From the
And I'll see you
department.
guys soon. All right. You have a nice day, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Simple.
Huh? They all right, brother. They all right. Little
Ah,
on the floors, but
he
it's
wants
what
to
y'all can
know.
handle. Y'all have a blessed day, all right? Yes, sir.
Come on, brother. Hey, they good back there, sir. I'm about to make my
I like
order.
your hair, sweetheart. You're welcome, baby.
You
That's how you do that, check.
Come on, Boku. Yeah, damn, man. Drop it in the comment section. Let me know what you think about Boku Black, man. If you enjoy his channel, his type of content, make sure you pop over there, subscribe to his channel, check out his content. He got a lot of things going on over there. He was just at like 24,000 subscribers. Now he's at like 31,000. So he's going up. Shout out to him. Love to see new content creators on the come up, especially when you're funny. And you're doing good for the community, okay? You see, he did that expecting somebody to come out. Hey, they good back there? You know what I'm saying? Hello? All right, my little friend. I hope you guys are having a great day, man. Turn the energy up. Get the energy up. I know it's Tuesday, okay? It's almost hump day. You don't get that hump on type. You know what I'm saying? You're going to get more energy after that. Then you're going to want to go to sleep. Then you're going to want a sandwich afterwards. I'm just saying. I'm just keeping it real with my people, okay? Enjoy the rest of your day. Foosh cares. I love y'all like y'all love me. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video, whether it's on this channel, whether it's on the Foosh Nigga channel, or whether it's on the Foosh Nigga Vloggeries, or whether it's on Twitch. We everywhere. Come be where I'm at. I'm going to come be where you at. Know that. Yeah.